I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I get dressed for work. I get dressed for work. I make my bed. I make my bed. I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee. I drink a cup of coffee. I check my phone. I check my phone. I read the news. I read the news. I go to work. I go to work. I take the bus to work. I take the bus to work. I drive to work. I drive to work. I ride my bike to work. I ride my bike to work. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I turn on my computer. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I check my emails. I have a meeting. I have a meeting. I take notes. I take notes. I eat lunch at my desk. I eat lunch at my desk. I go to the cafeteria. I go to the cafeteria. I talk with my coworkers. I talk with my coworkers. I make a phone call. I make a phone call. I work on a project. I work on a project. I drink water. I drink water. I take a short break. I take a short break. I check social media. I check social media. I finish work. I finish work. I leave the office. I leave the office. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I run in the park. I run in the park. I do yoga. I do yoga. I take a walk. I take a walk. I go grocery shopping. I go grocery shopping. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I set the table. I set the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I take out the trash. I take out the trash. I water the plants. I water the plants. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I listen to music. I listen to music. I call a friend. I call a friend. I write in my journal. I write in my journal. I play video games. I play video games. I go for a night walk. I go for a night walk. I take a bath. I take a bath. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I feed my pet. I feed my pet. I walk my dog. I walk my dog. I fold my laundry. I fold my laundry. I clean my room. I clean my room. I charge my phone. I charge my phone. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. Thank you for watching our video. Practice English every day, and you will improve. Remember, every small step brings you closer to mastering the language. Happy learning!